Hello everyone, welcome to this introductory startup series. Today we're going to be talking about digital exploration. This series of digital exploration will be providing us more like a general overview of some of the key aspects of our digital journey. We would proceed with unveiling the basic essentials of computers. More like introducing ourselves to understanding the basics that will guide us through the digital landscape. Next on this series, we're going to discover the building blocks of digital boundaries. Think of this as the foundation that will help us understand and navigate the vast world of digital, data, and technology in general. We would subsequently proceed to look at the relevance of computers in our modern world. Computers are not just digital devices. They are fundamentals to how we communicate, work, and explore the unknown possibilities of the digital domain. Throughout our exploration, responsibility is key. We need to understand privacy, security in our digital journey. We will proceed on building a solid foundation as well as the basics of computers. We will take a look at the definition of computers and its basic components. This session will lead us to the proper understanding of components such as the central processing units, the memory, the storage, and many more. We'll be diving deep into the fundamental aspect that makes up the backbone of our digital universe. You need to buckle up as we demonstrate these mysteries of computers, programming, and other IT essentials. We will proceed to look at the evolution of computing devices. Here we're going to take a quick trip through exploring the history and evolution of computing devices. Take a look at the breakdown of personal computers and smartphone components, from motherboards to processors, from screens to batteries, and many more. After this series, we must have laid the groundwork by exploring the basics of computers, from the hardware that forms the physical structure to the software that breathes life into these machines. We would also proceed to explore the roles of each of these components in the system. We need to understand that every component plays a unique role, starting from the CPU, always referred to as the computer's brain, the memory, which stores active information, the storage for preserving data, and the operating system, which orchestrates all interactions. By the end of this series, we should have essential understanding of how this electronic gadget powers our interconnected world, shaping the way we live, work, and even communicate. We will thereafter proceed to look at everyday tech advancement. This series will enable us to explore the cutting-edge innovations that are shaping the present and future of our daily lives, from smart homes to health tech and many more. These innovations are making our world more connected and enjoyable. In this series, we will take a look at everyday tech advancements such as the smart home innovations. It's so obvious that modern homes are now getting smarter. This smartness ranges from thermostat technology to security systems, as these innovations are making everyday tasks more convenient. Everyday tech advancements also encompasses the technology behind artificial intelligence. It is a part of our daily interactions, from voice assistance to personalized recommendations. We will demonstrate how to develop and incorporate existing AI technologies to some innovating ideas. We would proceed to look at everyday tech advancements as it relates to educational technologies. The way we learn is evolving. Educational technology solutions are transforming classrooms, offering high interactive and personalized learning experiences. Mobile technology evolution. Our smartphones are more than just communication devices. They are our pocket-sized depots for information, entertainment, and even productivity. The interesting part is that they are constantly evolving to meet our needs. Transportation and mobility technology. The way we move is undergoing a transformative resolution, from electric vehicles to autonomous driving and even smart transportation systems. Technology is reshaping our journey, making them more sustainable and efficient. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR as abbreviated. The line between virtual and real world are thin. AR and VR are creating immersive experiences, from gaming to training and learning simulations. Digital security innovations. It's so obvious that innovations in the digital security aims to protect our privacy. As our digital footprints keep growing, same applies to the security of these footprints. Cloud computing. This technological advancement has been ensuring seamless access to data and services, as well as fostering collaboration and connection among computing experts and entry professionals. It has really been a backbone to our digital lives. Wearing technological gadgets is becoming more sophisticated. Some of these aim at monitoring health and enhancing productivity into our daily lives. Communication platforms are continuously evolving, and they are offering ways to interact and collaborate globally. We will take a look at couples of them with detailed illustrations. Evolving e-commerce technologies are not exceptions to the everyday tech advancement. The way we shop for services and goods are undergoing a digital revolution. E-commerce technological innovations have enhanced our shopping experiences. We will demonstrate few and attempt developing some of our ideas. Health technology are revolutionizing how we monitor, manage, and improve our health, from telemedicines to wearing health trackers. Our well-being are really at the forefront of technological innovations. Cracking the code. This is about understanding the language of computers. We would be developing coding skills to solve real-world problems. Introduction to programming languages. At this point, there is need to start thinking of programming languages as the key to unlock the digital realm. We will demonstrate couples of high-level programming and scripting languages, covering examples such as Python, Java, C++, PHP, and many others on demand. Each of these languages are tools for expressing instructions to the computer. We would explore them from basics to advanced level. Algorithmic thinking. You must also be wondering how computers think. It's all about algorithm, a step-by-step instructions that solves problem. We will demonstrate the art of algorithmic thinking, thereby building our logical reasoning skills to tackle complex challenges. The real-world application of coding. Coding is not just about writing some lines of text. Guys, it's about solving real-world problems. We would explore how coding is applied to various domains, from creating software applications to optimizing processes. We would also demonstrate some problem-solving techniques that enable us to address real-world challenges. Algorithms into actions. This is the point where we're going to walk ourselves through some certain algorithms, visualize representation of algorithms executions, as seen, where we have some sort of logics sorting numeric values either in an ascending or descending order. Hands-on coding challenge. We are going to introduce ourselves to some simple coding challenges. Take a look at simple coding examples in Python, Java, and any other languages, comparing their differences and similarities. We are also going to take a look at different coding environmental setups, starting from integrated development environments, abbreviated as IDEs, and other text editors. We would look at tips and best practices in coding. We would also put to practice some best debugging strategies in software development or computer programming. We are also going to carry out some follow-up coding challenges. At this point, we will give ourselves tasks. Mr. A would solve a problem belonging to Mr. B. Mr. B will solve a problem belonging to Mr. A. We're going to follow up on our solutions and score ourselves appropriately. We're also going to demonstrate some live coding sessions using any of the virtual video meetings applications. We are going to be unveiling IT core and cybersecurity put in practice. Right on this series, we're going to take a look at the components of information technology, demonstrate some networking essentials, look at the role of security in information technology, overview of a cybersecurity incidents, and we're going to look at the steps taken to mitigate some of these cybersecurity threats. We would also proceed to mastering data management and efficient data management. On this series, we would look at different types of data and their significance. We would also look at tools and platform use in efficient data management, some data management systems and databases. We have an overview of successful implementation of data management strategies and the impact of data management on organizational efficiency. A journey into advanced learning. On this series, we are going to demonstrate some special areas of software development and look at ways we can contribute to open source projects, put into practice some advanced programming paradigms, and share among ourselves some additional resources for continued learning. We will be participating in some tech conferences and meetups, as well as organizing some tech conferences and meetups among ourselves. We would further proceed to master some advanced development tools. And on this series, we will be organizing some coding challenges and competitions among participants. I encourage you to continue this exploration, to keep pushing boundaries, and to stay curious in the ever-expanding world of digital innovations. Don't forget to subscribe for contents and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback will drive this community forward. Thank you for being part of this journey. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and keep embracing the digital adventure that lies ahead. This is Geofrey. See you in the next exploration.